anything like that would be a welcome sight with all this heat, all this humidity we're dealing with. It's like Mother Nature has cranked up that thermostat and she just won't let go.
I know, exactly. I was actually driving down River Road and a lot of the business there are still closed from those floods that we had earlier. But you're right, now.
Take a while.
Exactly. Now it's the heat and humidity that we're all having to deal with. And it was hot today. No doubt about it. Let's take a look at our headlines. We had the heat and humidity and heat index temperatures at 100 degrees today. And I know if you were outside, you sure did feel it. Now, tomorrow we do have a chance of rain. So Matt was hoping for rain. Unfortunately, along with that chance of rain, we also have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. And we'll talk about that here in just a minute. And more heat next week. In fact, it's going to be even hotter next week for those high temperatures in the 7-day. Right now, let's take a look. We're at 92 degrees as we approach sunset. Still very hot out there. 91 in Fort Knox, 90 degrees in Frankfort. Now, when we factor in the humidity, we get a heat index temperature. It's the temperature and the humidity, and it's what it feels like outside. 99 is our heat index temperature right now in Louisville, 101 in Fort Knox, 98 in Frankfort. We're all dealing with it right now. Over the last 6 hours, we've had a lot of sunshine, so it has been that hazy sunshine, though, with all the humidity. But if it's going to be this hot, at least we get to enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Did want to point out to you, do you see these thunderstorms forming just to the north of us? That's right along a cold front. It's a very weak cold front, and I wish I could tell you it's going to cool us down. But the only impact it's going to have for us is it's going to bring us that chance for a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow, because the heat and humidity are firmly in place. You know that. And as that cold front dips right down into Indiana and Kentucky, it's going to give us just enough lift that it could spark off a few showers and storms. Now, the storms that are able to develop with this, they do have the potential to be strong to severe. So let me show you the timing of this on our microcast. This is starting at 9 o'clock tonight. Don't worry about that rain tonight. It's going to be a nice evening if you don't mind a little bit of heat. I know the Summer Fling, Cabo Wabo, is out there at the Beaumont Field tonight, and they are raising money for kids. They have blessings in a backpacks that they fill up with food for kids in need across the area. So a great night for that. Just a little warm outside for tomorrow morning, starting off the morning with dry weather. But watch what happens as we head into the afternoon. You see this green popping up on here? That's that chance for some showers and thunderstorms developing. I don't think there's going to be a lot of them, but the ones that are able to form, they could power up pretty quickly and be severe. Our main threat tomorrow would be damaging winds, so we'll keep an eye on that. Temperatures over the past 5 days, we did get a break from the 90s on Thursday and yesterday, but today we were right back in the 90s, 94 degrees. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy, 74. So it's still going to be pretty humid tonight, too, only cooling down to 74. 90 degrees for the high tomorrow, and we are expecting a chance for a shower or a thunderstorm, about a 40% chance for tomorrow. Here's a look at that extended forecast. Those temperatures keep going up on us. 93 on Monday, 95 on Tuesday, sunshine, 96 on Wednesday, and then as we head into the end of the work week, we'll have another chance for a shower or storm. Temperatures slowly going back down, but 90s across the board in that 7-day, all above normal for this time of year.
It just feels like June or July out there.
I know. It feels like the heat of summer in summer officially, not here, not until June 21st. So we still have a few days.
What a preview. Yep. All right. Thank you, Kristen.
Working for you. This is your Wave 3 weather forecast from meteorologist Christy Dutton.
Good morning. It is 6:15, and even though we started meteorological summer on June the 1st, we have the official start of summer, the summer solstice, and that will begin in 18 days, and that's the 21st of June. So, but it already feels like summer outside. We have warm temperatures this morning. We're expecting hot temperatures again this afternoon. At 71 degrees right now in Louisville, 68 there in Fort Knox, 62 over in Frankfort. That humidity is going to be on the rise this weekend, too. The clouds outside, they've been moving through during the overnight. However, we're going to see some of these clouds clearing as we go farther into the day, and we'll have a lot of sunshine. Futurecast forecast, just a mixture of some clouds and sun this morning, a little bit of a clearing in the afternoon. We'll see some sunshine then. And as we head through the weekend, the humidity is really going to turn up a notch for tomorrow. You're going to be able to tell a difference. And on Saturday night, I think we'll still have dry weather for Saturday night. But on Sunday, we'll be checking a chance for a shower or thunderstorm, just a 30% chance then. So we may end the weekend with a few strong storms. Right now, let's take a look at those temperatures. The trend over the past 5 days. Yesterday, we were not in the 90s. for one day. It looks like we're headed back there today, but 89 was the high yesterday, so just barely out of the 90s, but it still counts. Our normal high for this time of year is 80 degrees, and we're going to be 12 degrees above that this afternoon. 92 for the high, mostly sunny skies. We may see a few more clouds this morning before those clouds clear out. And then tonight, a nice cool down, 67 for the overnight low, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, not only do the temperatures boost up, and look at this, 97, but the humidity is going to be higher tomorrow too. That makes a big difference in how it feels. It's going to feel more like over 100 degrees tomorrow afternoon with that humidity. And on Sunday, we have just a 30% chance for a thunderstorm. Now, the storms that do develop, they have the potential to be strong to severe just because it's going to be so hot and humid outside. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that, but I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of thunderstorm activity there on Sunday. So don't cancel your plans, otherwise partly sunny. And those highs stay in the 90s as we head through the work week. Let's head over to Chris McGill to see how traffic